Let's take a look at this Game Boy clone console, handheld console, PlayStation portable thing, whatever. It was 10 bucks with 400 games, NES mostly. Let's take it apart and let's see what's inside. Just carefully, I don't want to destroy anything. Just open it up. One fun fact, when the battery dies, you know what happens? How do you notice? The screen starts to lose brightness and then it disappears completely, but the console works, keeps working, even the sound, and yeah, you have time to plug it in or switch it off, something. I don't know. This wasn't really planned, I think, designed well, but yeah, there's no battery indicator. Probably because there was no battery indicator on the uh, NES, which it emulates. So, yeah, let's see. I'm kind of curious. There's a lot of free space inside, and I just want to see. Maybe there's a micro SD card. That's what I'm hoping to find, and the model number for the main board. If I find those two things, maybe I can do something else with this handheld. Because honestly, I don't know if I want these specific games on this handheld. If I want to play them on the road, I would like to play something else. So, like Game Boy games, for example, which it doesn't have, I think. I haven't gone through all of them yet. There should be like more than 100 games on it with special settings to make it 400. Oh, that's interesting. A big circuit board. So basically, I could put a huge battery here, like the hugest, and just take out this piece of plastic here and put in a huge battery. That would be fun. But let's go a bit further here. One screw is holding it in, and maybe we find out something, or maybe not. So, oh boy, there's the cable. Okay, that's interesting. It's a very nice screen. I like this screen. And the contacts are fine here. Okay, this seems really good. Here's the model number, I think. Is this the model number here? HYX-D477. So yeah, let's see. Oh, it's a controller thing on it. This thing. Or is this just the memory? Samsung. This may be a RAM and flash combo or just flash. So in theory you could reprogram this, but it's not that easy. Maybe I'll try the USB. But yeah, this is not standard. I mean, it's not like a micro SD card or something. So yeah, somebody made a custom bracket for this mobile phone screen and just put it in a nice plastic case that resembles the Game Boy thing. Oh, I left a mark here. That's not good. What can I wipe it with? Ah! Yeah. So okay, I'll end the video and wipe it with something soft, and maybe try to put some sort of filter in front of it because the viewing angles are just shit. Some sort of filter could help. A matte filter, or I don't know. Yeah. So that's what's inside. Interesting. I hope you learned something. I did too.